How to add multiple photos in WhatsApp status. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your WhatsApp application. And from here, make sure that you go to the update section at the bottom left. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, instead of tapping on add status right here, we are going to click on this camera icon at the top right part. And at the top, you can then scroll through these tools and we are going to tap on layout. This next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. What we're going to do now is to select the photos you want to add to a single WhatsApp status. So it should be checked like this, and you can select a specific number of photos and click on next at the bottom right, and it will then lay out your photo like this. Make it a collage, and at the bottom you can then select the format that you can post as a WhatsApp status and just click on done at the top right, and you can then hit the send icon at the bottom right to post it as a WhatsApp status like this. That is how you can basically add multiple photos in WhatsApp status.